How to fix it looks like Discord is not detecting any input from your mic. So if you want to fix it looks like Discord is not detecting any input from your mic, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to just go with search, and under search you need to search for microphone and go with microphone and privacy settings. And here you will have your microphone access. Make sure that you've turned on the access, and you need to scroll down and you need to find the option of Discord right here. So as you can see that I have Roblox, but I don't have Discord, which means I might have some problems. So you just need to simply find Discord and turn it on, which will be on the right side. Once you've done that, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply search for your control panel. And under your control panel, go with sound. And once you're under your sound here, you need to go with the headphones or the speakers and make sure that you've selected the default option. You can go with set as default. So just right click on it. Once you right click on it, you will have set as a default communication device or set as default option. So you just need to simply go and set it as a default section. Once you've set that as a default, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, now you need to open up your Discord. Once you open up your Discord, you need to go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left. And under your user settings here, you will have an option of voice and video. Once you go with voice and video, now you can just simply go with your input volume and the output volume, and you can go with a mic test. You can just go with let's check and then check your mic. And once done with it, you can save the settings and restart or relaunch your Discord, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.